Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, today is 222 portal. Yes, and this 222 portal, we everyone know about this angel number. And this angel number indicates harmony. We need to balance our life, or some sort of balance is coming in our life. This also signifies related to love life and also new beginnings for some of them. So behalf of this 222 portal, what will you do? I have an technique, a manifestation technique, very easy. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so everybody can do this technique, in my opinion. So, what you have to do, but I would say one thing before doing this technique, guys. Please make sure that you are absolutely calm emotionally and mentally. You're not disturbed, you're not sad or something. If it is so, then please calm yourself, meditate for some time, and once you feel that now it's okay, now it's not only okay, now it's better, just think about one wish that you have in your mind, only one wish, because we will be writing this wish only both the days. So once you decide which wish, either on some paper or in a notebook, you have to write that wish for 22 times today and tomorrow, and you need to write that wish as if it is already manifested. You need to write it in present tense. Yes, you need to write it in present tense and as if it is manifested. Also, you can do this technique for someone else, but make sure you are using some other paperwork and all everything. First complete yours, then do for others. Okay, and you need to write in present tense, like I have got my job in this company. My business in this particular sector is going on absolutely amazing, or my health is always awesome, I'm always fit and fine. As such, you can write it in present tense. Guys, I would like to tell you one thing, that please do this technique, because it is very powerful and wonderful, not very much difficult or rocket science. Now next, tomorrow, after writing the wish for 22 times, what will you do of that paper where you have written? If you feel, you can burn those papers. If you feel that by burning I am sending those, like you are sending the wish towards the universe, it's okay. Else you can bury those papers into the mud, into the soil, because it is also related to mother earth, universe and nature, right? Else you can keep those papers with you, not an issue. But I would say one thing, please do this technique with full faith. Okay, one thing I would like to mention over here, I won't say that for each and everyone their wishes will get manifested, but these portals are so powerful, guys. In spiritually, they're so powerful that obviously they will open the doors for you in some or the other way. I can say that. So I hope you understood what to do, and any doubts, then yes, you can message me in comments. Till then, thank you so much, and I would again like to say that please do not forget to do this, because it's very easy technique, and yes, you can do it successfully because of the days. This is what I feel. Thank you.